while studying in my college, I visited in my college, I mean somewhere. Okay, my native place people also staying there. He's doing the job there. Any Saturday or Sunday, if I'm going there, I will go to their house to meet them. They help like anything in my BTech days. Okay, they are my best well wishers. Okay, they treated me as their son. Okay, that much. Even I'm always pronouncing as Amma, Amma, like my mother, like Amma, like I'm always pronouncing, even today also. What happened is, if I go there, then she's keep on talking, 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 talking. Then my feeling is she's going to start Durga 1976. What happened? 1976. What happened? Like she's going to start from 1976 onwards. That year 2001, 2002. Then slowly 1995 and then 1996. Hey, when 2001 will come? My personal feeling, okay, keep on talking, keep on talking, keep on talking. 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. I record religion. Ah. Have you observed? Oh, so, but that is the habit. Beyond that, nothing. There is no negative intention in that. Okay, like so, there are some people who are very much eager to talk about themselves, man. Then automatically the opposite person not in a position to listen. Okay, that is the bigger thing. So we should open the mouth to talk about themselves, to talk about opposite person only. Okay, ask the questions. Then they keep on.